Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to 2022 and welcome to another unboxing video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the new monthly subscription to the Athletic Greens bundle. They have rebranded a little bit. It's now called AG1. So it's 2022 and it's time to turn over a new leaf, and one thing that I have been neglecting is definitely my health. 2021 was a stressful year for me. I had a lot going on and I wasn't really taking care of myself as good as I should be. So I decided that it was time to start looking after myself, and I thought a subscription to 75 different vitamins and minerals might be a good start. So I've definitely heard the name Athletic Greens over the past few years, and I was a little bit skeptical at first because I thought that a lot of it seemed to be a little bit of paid promotion. Some of the people that I follow regularly have actually continued their usage of the product, as well as they still promote it. And some of them have gotten so big that they could promote pretty much anything they want, and they stick with this product, and to me that makes me feel like, well, they truly do believe in it. So I thought I would give this a try for 2022, and I thought, well, I might as well show you guys what's in the new packaging. So let's get started. So this is the monthly subscription bundle, so I believe there should probably be a canister in here. I also did use one of my favorite YouTubers' promotion codes. So I think there is a vitamin D and K12 inside here, D3 and K12 as well, in a dropper. So let's get inside, have a look. Welcome to the Essentialist Nutrition Movement, AG1 by Athletic Greens. So, things to know. For best results, take on an empty stomach before breakfast. AG1 can serve as your daily multivitamin, multimineral, live cultures for gut health, immune system support, and more. Put 8 to 12 ounces, 250 to 350 milliliters of water into your shaker. Add 1 serving of AG1 to your shaker. Shake or stir for 20 seconds. So there you have it. That is your instructions for your AG1. Good little silica gel. So we did get the AG1 jar, which is just basically basically looks like a plastic shaker jar, nothing fancy, no fancy top or anything on it. And then you have a measuring scoop, and this is metal, so this is very nice. You have the AG1 green powder. This came with 5 individual packs as well, so if you're on the go and you want to take these with you, you've got these guys too. And then yes, this was the D3 and the K2, so that's awesome to have this. And then you get this nice metal jar to put the powder in. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Move your body, breathe through your nose, drink AG1. And yeah, this is all completely recyclable packaging, which I will for surely do. So when I initially ordered this, my plan was to kind of use it to cut out a couple cups of coffee in the afternoon that usually kind of keep me awake later at night. I thought I would replace that coffee with the Athletic Greens, but I'm reading it and it is saying to take it before breakfast on an empty stomach. So I think that the experts probably know best with the product that they make, so I will stick to that, and hopefully it will kind of give me that little extra energy throughout the day that I'm hoping to get from this as well, without needing that afternoon coffee. So I'm gonna try this stuff for a month, see how it makes me feel, see if it gives me that little bit of extra boost of energy, fills my daily intake of the vitamins and minerals that I'm missing, and just kind of see what it does to my overall health. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, head down below, hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, or a follow-up video on how I feel after using this stuff for a month, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy up there.